gold.
They wouldn't leave it out in the open, stupid.
Hey, he must be in a good mood. He usually calls me idiot.
Welcome to another episode of Chasing 80s Toys, and in this video we revisit the toy line M.A.S.K again. Back in 1985, Canon released the first wave of vehicles, action figures and a cool playset for this toy line. For this video we take a closer look at the vehicle Jackhammer, piloted by Dagger. I said it a few times before in previous videos. The big stars of the 80s are not only the toys, but also the boxes and the card bags they came with. The pilot Dagger was also available in a 2-pack alongside with Sly Rags. Here we take a closer look at Dagger. The mask he uses is called Torch. In the cartoon we see Dagger shooting flame or fire bolts from his mask.
Torch!
Dagger isn't one of the smartest members from Venom. The only reason Miles Mayhem tolerates him must be because of the extra muscle he brings to the cause.
Watch what you're doing, Dagger! You almost hit me.
You better watch yourself!
Despite of being smaller action figures, the M.A.S.K figure still had a fair bit of articulation. Arms, legs, the knees and the head, they could all be moved. Here you can see exactly how small Dagger is compared with a few other action figures from the 80s. He just stands little over a battle beast. And compared with his Venom companions, Dagger is one of the smallest figures in the M.A.S.K toy line. Now it's time to take a closer look at the vehicle Dagger drives on his daily job. This is Jackhammer, sometimes referred to as Jackhammer 4x4. One of the fun gimmicks of this toy line was the transformation of the vehicles. This is how you transform Jackhammer. In attack mode, the gun turret can move 360 degrees. In attack mode, the armored shield covers the windshield. What I'm wondering about is, how can Dagger see where he's going now with this armored shield up? But it does have its benefits.
Shield on!
Did you know that the tires on Jackhammer and a couple of the other M.A.S.K vehicles were licensed by Goodyear, the manufacturer of car tires? And whilst being in attack mode, rolling along on these Goodyear tires, you operate the two front cannons. Being in attack mode with the gun turret up, there's a small compartment beneath it. With a complete set, this is where you store the air defense gun. Unfortunately, my Jackhammer isn't 100% complete. At the back of the box, I can show you how it looks when you install it on top of Jackhammer.
Smoke screen on.
And this is how you transform Jackhammer back again. The next video clip will prove how sturdy and strong Jackhammer is when he is in conventional vehicle mode.
Antimatter sure comes in handy sometimes.
It's time to wrap this video up, so here's a few more shots of Jackhammer and the Venom crew. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you on the next video.
Man, are you dumb?
Don't call me dumb!
Sorry, numbskull.
That's better.